Bro, boy, you trash as fuck. You make Detroit look bad, nigga. Crip, nigga.
Red don't have the prettiest face, but she have some nice hair. Like it's so full and thick.
You always trying to validate somebody. It's just a messy app. Quit coming here with compliments for this funky ass bitch. Did you hear that motherfucker? You hear that motherfucker when that motherfucking bitch came up there and told that motherfucker that my hair motherfucking full? Bitch, don't come up here with that. You creating content. Crap. Listen to this nigga.
No, but I gotta turn the music down. So I'm not knowing what's going on. I'm a little kid. We in Walmart. I'm seeing my daddy get all these motherfucking pillows. I'm like, what the fuck you buying all these fucking pillows? He just telling me to shh, mind your business. So he got the TV and all type of shit. Like, he got the shit covered. This nigga got her scanning the pillow with the TV under the pillow. She ain't even scanned the TV. The people gonna just check the receipt or whatever because there's a whole bunch of shit on there and let him keep going and walk out. This nigga, me not being the kid, me being the kid, not knowing what the fuck going on. I be like, Dad, she ain't scanned the TV. And he be like,
Quit lying. That's Trina B. Son talking about how Trina B. still was stealing out of Walmart. He said he went and got a TV and put a whole bunch of pillows on top of it. This nigga's a fucking crackhead. What the fuck TV fits in the cart with pillows on top of it, bitch? That little ass motherfucking 32-inch you done motherfucking stole, boy, gone. You done covered up a 32-inch, $100 ass TV, boy, gone. I'm glad he ain't still no, that wasn't shit. That was a motherfucking computer motherfucking monitor, bitch. That little ass TV the fuck out of here. They wouldn't even prosecute you about that TV. They ask you to put it back and not enter the store no more. I mean, we ain't finna go to court about that little ass TV. Motherfuckers walking out that bitch with big boys. You hear me? Going in that bitch with old receipts, walking out with a new TV, bitch. Right out the front door, bitch. Flying past customer service and everything. They had walked up to customer service with the new TV in the cart, go to customer service, ask them, is it a warranty, or la, 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 la. You know what I'm saying? If I don't like this TV, can I bring it back? And they'll tell them, yeah, if you don't like it, just bring it long as it works. Then they'll walk out the door like they really just hollered at customer service with an old receipt. A receipt from earlier today, bitch. They ain't looking at the time and shit. They looking for a TV. This nigga. We seen what your daddy got caught with. It wasn't no pillows and it wasn't no TVs, nigga. It was Gillette's, razors, bitch, Crest strips, and bitch, a Ficta dent, poly dent, all types of 500 milligram extra strength pain relievers, and they dog food. Where the fuck you see a pillow at? $10,000 worth. What up, Cookie? You in this thing today? At work. What up, Tony? I could not wake up next to this bitch. First thing I say every morning, babe, you take your meds? Promise you. I'm not finna play. You look like you ain't take your medicine, bitch. What y'all finna do today? Israelite, how you doing? Live Happy Sunday. Oh. Yeah, I'm finna get out of here. I gotta doing your hair. Period. I gotta get dressed. Going to a B-Day party? Okay. I'm waiting on my tuna macaroni to get cold. Ain't nobody eating that nasty shit. I'm gonna get me some. I'm finna order me a cheeseburger from Five Guys. I'm finna DoorDash me a motherfucking cheeseburger. Listen, man, I don't DoorDash me no motherfucking pop either. I forgot to hit DoorDash and tell them they DoorDash me a motherfucking pop that come in the cup. You know what I'm saying? The cup like ebony drink. I don't want that. I don't want that at all. Ain't no nigga finna bring me nothing to drink in the cup. If you don't got a bottle, I don't want it. I ain't drinking out no cup and somebody delivering that shit to me. I'm out here with a straw, man. I'm not drinking. I told him, man, you can have that, bro. You can have that. You can keep that drink. I thought it was coming in a bottle. Yeah, you know, like a cup you'll get from the gas station. You know how restaurants give you something to drink in a cup? One of them cups. I don't know. I need my shit closed. I need to open my own shit. Motherfucker done took a little swig of your shit just to wet their throat. You ain't even know it. You just took a swig. Mm-hmm. You motherfucking lying. No, they did not just say Cali Blue Sun, Dad. We need to, where the receipt at? Yeah, you level 32. We need a receipt. You should have one. I cut one seal.
It was like, girl, go get the broom. VA probably ain't even know
So
where
we'll need to change the picture. She look a mess. That bitch look a whole mess.
You didn't see this open? Girl, that big party is gone. How far did it come in? It was like farther in the chair. Past the chair. Well, it's probably gone now. But I need to sweep this floor. Yeah, go get my slide better. Man, what the fuck is wet?
Teddy sheets, bitch.
Is that girl? Two. I went.
The next live,
I want to be in your family. All right, send me your ID. Send Bigo ID. Send Bigo ID. Before I go to work tomorrow, bitch, you got fucked up. I ain't going outside today.
Why, wifey?
Hey, motherfucking bitch.
Bitch, ain't nobody live that fuck with me. Just came in here and lied and said Cali Blue Sun to daddy. You block your ass. Gucci been missing. I think he needs some liquor money. I gotta see. Still in his support. What up, Sandra? Alright, y'all. I'll be back later. It's 4 fucking o'clock.